Hi friends, I'm Sherry in the Wild, and we are continuing this unboxing series of BTS's fifth album, ARIRANG. So I've already shown Rooted in Korea and Rooted in Music CDs. This one, I'm going to show you the Living Legends version CD, and I will also be showing the other vinyls in the next few videos. Make sure to subscribe because I'm going to Busan Festa with my daughter for her graduation, and we will be going to Tokyo, then Busan, Jeju, then Seoul. And luckily, we will also be going to the Vegas concerts and the LA concerts. So I have a lot of content to share with you. I hope you follow along and enjoy the ride with me. This is the Living Legend, and you can see it's a different size from the other two. If you want to see the other videos, Rooted in Music, Rooted in Korea, check out the last two videos. There, Living Legend, printed with soy ink. And then here's the back. Okay, so it opens this way. 방탄소년단. Okay, ARIRANG. Then here is the track list and the number logo. And here opens like this. The cardboard is nice and strong. It has this whole booklet. And then you have the words, the greetings that the members wrote down. Okay. And like the others, I'll have to translate them later. Okay. And you know how if you have a planner, you have kind of this elastic. So that's pretty nice. It says BTS on it and has those, which I believe are part of the Korean flag. Then this little medal, I think, can take off the take off the plastic. All right, so we got that and that. Nice. Okay, let's look in here. This is a little crumpled because I did look at it a little bit. So here's a CD. I'll probably put this in my car. I mean, yeah, for sure. And this feels like recycled paper. So here are the lyrics and credits. All right. Then they circled 7, so I suppose because that's the title track. 방탄소년단. I don't know why I can't say that right. Okay. Okay, so the main credits here. Special thanks. Okay. Shall we open this one first? Yeah, let's do this one first because this looks amazing. Okay, so kind of like a see-through envelope, and you have the Big Dipper here with all their different 7s. The logo, kind of more like a sketch. Okay, it's nice. Okay, let's do the photo cards first. RM, Jin. I'm just doing this so you can screenshot it. Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, V. Love the photo cards. They're kind of the same theme, same place. It seems like they took the pictures. Jungkook, JK. Okay, we'll put them in fan chant order. Oh, here's the back. Oh, it's got their signatures on the back. There, RM Suga. RM Jin, Jimin Jungkook. Okay, so you can see their signatures. Yeah, I know that's J-Hope's signature from watching all those forgot what, it wasn't VIP sound check, but it was that other next tier of the HOTS tour. And I know that signature, I know his signature. Okay. So let's put them other way. You guys, my unboxing, I'm gonna go through everything. So just enjoy. Okay. It's like playing cards, right? Okay. Like I said, I have, in my other videos, I have a binder specifically for the photo cards for ARIRANG, which I will be taking care of at another time. Okay, this I've seen online already, where, do you remember when you were like a little girl and you had those like fashion plates and you mix and match the top and the bottom? So, or you can take this out and make it a photo card already. And then the same RM, 1 of 7. So some people are taking this off and just using it as a photo card and then just kind of saving this part. I mean, maybe you could do a mix and match of... Okay, so that's RM. Oh, these are awesome. These are beautiful. Gin. Sugar. I know, I always feel like I have to say the name. Ooh, Hobie, J-Hope. Wow, I love them in suits. Okay. V. Jungkook. Wow, look at that. That looks awesome. With the brooch and then his tattoo and his earring. Okay. Put them in fan chant order. There, can you see that? Nice. All right, put these away. Oh, there's a little bit more over here. That was in that envelope. Oh, stickers, right? Oh my gosh, they have the stickers for the number 7s. Oh, I love this. But the star is not a sticker. Oh my gosh, I love that. So this is a sticker too. Here's the track list, the number. Yeah. 1 to 14. Love that. Too bad they didn't make that one a sticker. Okay. There. Yeah, so this is a sticker, more like a clear one. I bet you here they each drew one of these. I wonder who did what. I assume it's in order. Right, so this would be RMs, Jins, Sugars, J-Hopes, Jimin's, V's, and Jungkook's. I mean, that's just a guess. I don't know. There's nothing to indicate. Okay, nice. All right, let's move on to this. Okay, so we opened it up and love that. Okay. Oh, this one is a big poster. I mean, I want to put all the vinyls up on my wall. I have only one wall left here in my room, so who knows if I can. I don't think I'll be able to put this up. Nice. Can you see? Beautiful. Hello. It would be kind of nice if I put this, because I'm at my desk right now, and put it right across where the closet is and they're staring at me. Okay. That's cool. Okay, 2 in 1. The booklet holder, poster holder, and the poster. All right, so I'm just gonna go through this one by one. And you can take a screenshot, just sit back, enjoy. Okay, so that's the back. And so these are all black and white, because I think it was Living Legend black and white. Okay, so you can see the back here. And then it has like these holes, so I guess you can punch it. Like I have this 3-hole punch. I guess you can punch it and put it into a binder, or bind it, or put cute string or bows for that. It's up to you. I'll probably just keep it in the original booklet. Okay. Hope you guys like this unboxing. All the posters are absolutely fantastic. I don't know what I'm going to do with myself with all these posters. Okay, so which one was your favorite? Let me know. And I'm just going to put this away for now and figure out what I'm going to do with these posters. Which ones I'm going to use. I know this one I'm going to put in my car. So put this, do that later. Remember, we got the photo cards, these fashion plates, The stickers, yes. I think I'm going to leave the stickers out here so I know. I don't know, I'll just put them away. Because after I do all these unboxings, I'm going to go through each one and decide which ones I'm going to display or how I'm going to display all of them. I know what I'm going to do, at least with the photo cards and like these. I'll probably put them with the photo cards, but have the right type of sleeve for them. And I only need one CD in the car. All right, yeah, so let me know which poster was your favorite, and if you got any of the CD albums. And in the next video, the next several videos, I'm going to be showing my concert bag and the other vinyls and some other stuff that I got. Okay, see you in the next one.